Hello everyone, I like to make pita bread for a long time. Finally I made it. It is sourdough pita bread. You can see my husband very happy and he made a salad sandwich now. Please come to the kitchen with me and we have fun together. Welcome to Saigoncook Travel. I am Saigoncook. On this channel, I share with you everything I know, so please like, share my recipe, and subscribe. Thank you. So for this recipe, I have 220 grams of water, 20 grams olive oil, and 7 grams of honey. That's all for the liquid. 160 grams sourdough starter. You got to get the a live starter so that your bread will be pops up. For the flour, I use 60 grams of whole wheat flour, 40 grams of all-purpose flour. You can use a bread flour instead. So you mix it all up and you let it rest for 30 minutes. I don't use salt here because my husband doesn't eat salt, but you can do salt from 6 to 10 or 12 grams. So after 10 minutes rest, I come back and make the first stretch and fold. You can see I stretch too much like this, it just look like a lamination because you do it only one time. You can do 4 sets like normal you do your sourdough bread, but not necessary, so I do just one. And you can see and bung them up and we'll let it go into burn fermentation for 4 or 5 hours. It depends on your temperature. You watch until it's double inside. That's all you need. So it can be 5 or it can be longer or shorter. Depends on your temperature. Now I sprinkle some flour so that I can roll the dough out. Before that I weighed it. I divided the dough into 85 grams for each. After that I round them like this and let it rest for 10 minutes. The reason you need them rest because it's easier for you to roll out. They not shrinkle when you roll. You can see up until now is pretty simple, huh? No need, no machine. Okay, stay with me. We go to the fun part. So I roll the dough into round discs with the 6 inches diameter. That means 15 centimeters if you on that scale. Remember, this is sourdough, so it has a lot of air pocket inside. And you don't want to break them. Be gentle, because the air inside will make your bread balloon up. You can see I measure for you here 6 inches for diameter. So I use the cast iron skillet. That's why I said no oven needed. Next time I will do the oven for someone really want to use the oven. Now I have two methods here. One is using the lid. I thought that it add more steam so that it help the bread pops up. So after you roll the dough out, you can use your hand to rub on the skillet, or you can put it on parchment paper and then invert the parchment paper on the skillet. Whatever way you feel more comfortable. But once you put the dough in the skillet, you count 20 seconds, you flip. The temperature I'm using is medium high heat. For example, my stove had 9 speeds and I use the second 7. If you think your skillet not hot enough, you can increase, but you need to turn down apparently so that your bread doesn't burn. And you know, burn food is not good. I'm very, specific about burning. I heard that scientists say burn food can get you cancer. So I'm very looking into it. So after 20 seconds, I flip, and then after another 20 seconds, I flip again, and after the third flip, you can see the dough already pops up. And you keep doing that until it pops into balloon, and you need to flip so that you don't burn. That's all you do. This is the example I let you watch here with a crack on the bread. You can see there. If you have a crack or the hole on your bread, it won't pop up, or it pops up and then it will deflate right away. So be careful when you handle the dough to avoid all the mistake. Now the second method that I don't use the lid. And after I'm done with this, I made a conclusion that I don't need to use the lid, because you need to flip it, constantly. 20 seconds you flip, 20 seconds you flip. So the steam created inside, it won't stay on, so better without the lid so that you don't need to take care of something while you concentrate on flipping and waiting for it pops up. Now you see, at first it look like it never pops up, but be patient. After, like I said, 3 flips, you can see it started. Right there, you can see it's stuck right there. And then when it started popping, it's very fast. Right there, you can see it pops more and more. And before you know it, it pops up the whole bread. I take advantage of you watching my video. Like to say thank you for stopping by, watching my video. It means a lot to me. You are the reason I'm here. So with your support, watching, sharing, liking my video, subscribing to my channel, it keeps me going. So thank you. Now you can see it start popping up more. Sometimes it do very fast, sometimes it do slow, but you watch it, it will pop more and more until both side is up. And you make sure to do that because when you use the bread, you will cut it in half to reveal the hole inside, the empty inside, so that you can stuff your thing. My husband likes this bread a lot, so it's a go-to for me. I will make it more and more. Next time I will use the oven to show you guys who love to use oven instead of just the skillet. With the oven you don't need to flip. The heat will make it pops. You see right now it pops up the way I like it. And for this I will finish and make the new one. The goal here that you want to get your bread pops because it will have the cavity inside for you to stuff your sourdough, barbecue, salad, cheese. Let's try the inside. For this bread, you can just tear it down and dip in stew or something like that. You can see it's so thin, box bread. You don't need to eat a lot of dough, but still satisfied. Thank you for watching. I see you soon. Bye bye.